Okay. What do you think, buddy? We're out for a little hike. What did you think? I heard something in that brush. I don't know. It sounded bigger than a rabbit. So I don't know. We're out checking out the woods for a little hike, a little exercise. Right, Techie? Right, Techie too? Okay. We're gonna go on up into the thick, into the timbers there and see what's going on. You ready for this? Okay. Lead away, fella. Lead away. He feels a little bit more comfortable if I've got him on a lead. He doesn't like the blackberries, which I don't blame him. And any of you that have Pyrenees know that they have a tendency to want to take off. He gets the scent of a deer or something, and he's gonna go protect me from it. Should we go that way or up this way? You wanna go in here? There's just a couple blackberries. Okay, come on. All right, you got it. Go ahead, come on. All right. Okay, attaboy. Okay, let's go. You want Dad to go first? Oh yeah. Yeah, nasty. Here, let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on. Now, boy, you got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. There you go. Get around there. Come on. Just walk through it. You'll be okay. Come on. Let's go. Attaboy. What's up here? Hey. You walk right by a bone. Looks like a killing field. Well, something had a snack up here. Yeah. Something had a snack up here. That's how big it is. I would say it's a deer. Oh, maybe it might be a rabbit femur. Okay, we're moving on. Let's go, buddy. We're on an adventure. Come on. No, you can leave it. Let's go. Come on. This is first time on this. No, come on. Come on. Let's go. No, come on. Come on. Attaboy. This first time on this game trail. Come on. It's okay. What's the matter? What's out there? What is it? What is it? Yeah, I don't think we've been in this neck of the woods before, have we? You want to go check it out? Well, come on. Let's go. No, I'm not being mean to him. I'm prodding him. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. All right. Oh. Okay. This is Tucker mine first time right here. So this is definitely an adventure. We haven't been in this portion of the woods since I've lived out here. So yeah, this is cool. Hey, I gotta stop and tie my laces, fella. You all right with that? This is cool. I think I know where this comes out, but I just keep hearing something in the distance. Do you hear it? What's the matter? Oh, you got a blackberry vine? Come on, you could do it. Oh boy, toughen up, you got it. I know you're protecting your livestock and stuff, but I think I'll I'll be okay. I'll walk through it. I'll be alright. This is kind of weird. There have been people, something living out. I mean, we're far from stores. Unless they're living off the land, but I don't think so. We're not that far out. Oh, okay, I know, man. That's Deer Ridge right over there. Tucky, you think there's any deer? Huh? Oh yeah, good boy. I'm gonna tie my laces. Okay, good to go. I heard something. Oh, my old buddy here is not gonna miss a sound. Want a drink? Come here. This is Deer Ridge. I'm just surprised we're not seeing anything. Huh? Not ready? Okay. Okay. All right. We're moving on. Moving on up. Alrighty. Well, we're here where they took this ring out of this tree. Took a ring, cut a ring around it. I don't know if they're trying to kill it, what they're doing. Could be part of a timber sale or a boundary. I don't know. But that's old. It goes all the way around. We've actually had bobcats. Seen bobcats out here. There's all kinds of coyotes. Some big ones. Report of a bear. Well, I haven't seen the bear. I've seen a lot of the scat or droppings or berry pies. I know that the coyotes come close to the trailer at night. Where Tucky and I hang out. I got my Christmas lights up on my trailer year round. Oh yeah, you know how to live. You coming this way, or you need me to help you? Come on, we got some blackberries. You're gonna have to get through it. We got to get through it. Come on, come on. We're gonna continue exploring this vast wasteland. The American dream. Okay, come on. You got it. Come on, big boy, let's go. He'll work it out. There's a camp up here I'm gonna go to. It's an old tree planters camp. Check that out. Come on. Oh, come on. You can do it, big boy. I know you'll look for a way around it, but come on. We're gonna go down this trail. Game trail or something. You coming? Come on. I gotta go help him. That's what we do in the woods. We help each other. He gets snagged easy because that doggone long hair. I don't have that problem. Come on. Okay, I'm coming. Good boy. All right. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. We're almost to Porcupine Curve. We'll go up here and catch this little trail. Yeah, good boy. Okay. You know where you're at, don't you now? Come on. Come on. We're on the trail. Come on. Okay, come on. Well, let's go. We're almost to Porcupine Curve. I got you. I got you. Okay. Good boy. Okay. Oh boy. You know where you're at. It's a little more familiar. A little more familiar. This is where we saw Rose, the porcupine. So he always stops and checks to see if she's around. Well, for the last 4 or 5 times we've been up here in a year. You gonna stop and see where Rose is at? I don't think Rose is out. I think Rose moved out. The greener pastures. Too many Snoopy Pyrenees looking for her. Yep, okay. We're moving, we're rolling. It's when you get off these little paths you find the little treasures. Okay. No rolling in coyote crap. You'll be getting a hosing. Okay, you ready? There's Deer Ridge to the left. We're on the other side of it from where we were. Now there's an old camp up in here. I think it was a tree planters camp. Come on. Let's go. Come on. It's been defunct for a while. I'm not walking up on anybody's camp. I'm just showing you where they camped out for a while. Oh, somebody's got a game cam. Oh, that's cool. Got a game cam. Huh. That's kind of weird. A game cam set up there. That's cool. Hey. Somebody's watching for deer or animals or something. That's cool. I don't know who put the game cam up. That's new since I've been up here. Right, we're not doing anything harmful. This isn't private property. We're just going to take a look around. Come on. Come on. So this is where they had their lean-to, and I had to delete some of my stuff because I ran out of room. I forgot to do that. Anyway, here's some, I don't know if that's a gum bucket. Anyway, this is a little lean-to that pretty much anybody can come out and throw a tarp over and camp out. It's weird that they got that camera there. Anyway, this is a little camp. Fairly clean. Just weird. Okay, big boy. So Well, you want to travel on through here and see what's going on? Just nice and quiet. Yeah. Okay. You ready? Hey. Hey, what's that? What's that? Huh? You a good boy. Hey. Where's Kitty? Is there Kitty around? Where's Kitty? Okay. Well, now this is interesting. As Tucky and I were leaving, I happened to look up, and there's a tree stand. That's pretty slick. That's pretty slick, bro. That's pretty slick. So that's a tree stand, and somebody got a little vid cam, trail cam. Who knows how old it is? I don't know. I can only assume, and I don't want to assume anything. Anyway, a little campment out here in God's country. I just hope there's no booby traps, huh, Techie? Yeah. Crazy, dude. Somebody's up there. That's a sweet little setup, man. That's tight. I mean, I walked right up in here and I didn't even see it. That's pretty tight. Okay. We be gone. We be gone. Yeah, that's tight, bro. I just want to show you from this vantage point of this, you know, call it a trail. I guess it's a trail, but it's not well used. And that stand is right there. Right on just the other side of that little camp. That, dude, that is sweet. Sweet little setup. That is. Come here. Okay. This will do you so you can do some running like a big boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. That's why, I mean, this is Deer Ridge. That's what I call it. And there's deer. You'll have to believe me, but that was cool. That's the first time I've seen that out here at that location. Dude, I'd hate to get an arrow through the heart, or through the back of the head or something. Straight to the heart, and you're to blame. Okay. Can you make it? Hey, you think you can make it? Come on, Fluffy, let's go. Figure it out. Let's go. You're a woods dog. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Well, come on. Under, over. I'll fall over and break my neck. Come on. Let's go. Atta boy. Oh, yeah. He's a woods dog. He's a woods dog. Well, come on. Come here. Just getting a little creeped out. It's like something's following me. Something's out here. Okay. Where'd you go? My dog ran off. Come on. Frisky now, because we're going home. Oh, come back here. Come back here. Come back here, you're getting a beating. Come. Get a beating, dog. You get a beating now. You get a beating now, boy. You get a beating now, boy. You get a beating now, boy. Hey, come back. He loves the adventures. He gets a little exercise. Don't you, rotten dog? Don't you, rotten dog? Don't you? They'll be sneaking up and biting me in the back. Yeah, I got your number. Big shout out to my buddy Dennis. And Johnny. And Rolando. And Gwen. And Suzette. And the other members of the litter. Hey. Okay, we're going. Good day. Okay, post-hike. Post-hike synopsis. I have to give myself a grade of F. I walked right up into something. It could have been deadly. You know, you have to always be attentive to your surroundings. Left, right, back, even up. I mean, I give you an A because you're a bud. You're my bud. You know, you might have some personal skills that you need to sharpen on, but dude, I give you an A. Me, F. My awareness was not on point. Even though I'm strapped, dude, I wouldn't have had a chance to get to my tuning device if it had gone south. So, yeah, that's my post-hike resume synopsis. Hey, you ready to go home? You ready to get in there and take a nap? Hey, you're my bud. Hey, Tucky, I know you can hear me. He's so darn independent. God bless you. All right. You want to go home and see the kitty? Woo, whoa, woo. We get a snack? Woo, whoa, oh. All right. Let's go.